How to add and ask a question on Quora. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a question on Quora so people can help you. So all what you have to do, go to Quora.com and create an account or log into your account. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go right here and click on this bar right here. Then click on add question from here and start your question with what or how or why. For example, why, let's ask, for example, how to change Facebook password, like this. And as you can see, now click add question from here and click use suggestion or ask original question. Now I just added my question. As you can see, you will find some answers as you can see, or you can add new question. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.